Welcome guys, I'm going to straight away to show you guys how to download Windows 11 OS iOS file. Sorry, you type Windows 11 download. So you click on the first link you see, which is actually Microsoft website. It loads. So here you have the features to download using installation media and download iOS or using Windows 11 installer assistant. So whichever one, but I prefer using this download this image iOS. You select the edition. I selected multi-edition. Then these are actually the requirements you need to check. However, about 8 gig RAM, however, a disk drive, and also a bootable flash disk. So these are files you need. Then here's actually the requirement for downloading your Windows 11. Then you click on download and choose the language, which I choose English International, and click on confirm. Then you validate your request. It's gonna take some time. Then you select your bit. Windows 11 has only 64-bit, no more 32-bit. So you select 64-bit and it starts downloading. I'm actually using this software to download it because this software allows me to pause and start my download. So I can pause and resume, because if you use your conventional web application to download, when you start downloading file like this large up to 6.3 gig, after some times, maybe you have a network fluctuation or your internet goes down, everything you are downloading is lost. It's very painful. I've gone through this before. I was downloading one of the OS, I think 20 Windows 10. It was around 6.7 gig. It got to 4 gig and my network went out on me to resume it again after setting it back on. It has to start afresh. So my 4 gig was gone. And check how important those kind of data is for someone that is in this part of the world. So this is actually why you need to use this software to actually download your software, especially if you are working on large files. So I'll also be dropping the name of this software in the description box below for you to check it out and download and have a try of it, and also tell me your looks or view on how you see the software. So just wait while I'll actually skip the video because it's gonna take about 1 hour to download. So I'll just skip it towards the end of the video and you see the software.
Please stop. 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 Please stop.
You can see over here now it's done downloading, and it's actually some seconds done downloading, now arranging and analyzing the files. So it's gonna take some seconds to actually compile all the parts it downloads, because this software downloads your software, breaks it down into some parts and download it individually. And after downloading that, it compiles all of them together and save on your device. So it's gonna take some seconds to round up doing that, and when it's done, we'll be showing the iOS file of the Windows 11. And just a quick one, this version as of this video is actually the 22H2, which is actually because Windows releases their software twice a year. They release in June, and also the second of which is actually H1, and November, which is H2. So they release their versions of OS twice in a year. So this is actually the second version of the Windows 11 2023. So thanks for watching, and it's done downloading. I'll be showing you guys where the file is. So it's done downloading. I click on open folder, and you can actually see on the file explorer where the file is. So I'll be moving it to my flash drive to copy to the system I'll be installing on, or I can make my flash drive bootable, which I'll do later. Thanks for watching.